Hey, it's Monika here, showing you how you can quickly book your strategy session with me on this page so that you can, talk to me without delay and you don't have any problems, you don't experience any issues with the techie side of things. So the first thing you got to do is make sure that you set your time zone here in this pull down menu. You can choose from any kind of time zones, so it is important that you make sure that you have the right time zone here. If you don't, then the calendar will not send you reminders at the right time and you're going to miss the call with me. Okay, so once you've done that, you click set time zone, and then you can choose from the calendar dates available here. So the ones that are bolded are available times and days. So you click on any of the dates and it'll give you time choices. So you just select a choice and you click continue. You put in your first and last name, your phone number, and your email address. You will receive a booking confirmation in your inbox, and the system will also send you text reminders for our call before we're actually meeting, so you don't forget. Okay, and then you just click complete appointment, and once you've done that, you will get redirected to this page here. Now this is a quick survey that I need you to complete that will give me insights into your business, and that will help me prepare for our call so we can hit the ground running without delay, and I can give you the breakthroughs that you're looking for your business. Now, it is important to notice that if I don't get this survey completed from you at least 1 hour before our time, I will cancel our call. Okay, so you will only be able to talk to me if you complete this survey in full. And on here you have all kinds of questions around your business, and it will give me a really good and deep insight into where you actually are, what you're struggling with, and what I can do to actually help you get out of that funk. So make sure you do that. And I also suggest that unless you're prepared to spend the 5 minutes to complete the survey straight away, don't book the time with me just yet. Okay. I will not send you reminders to complete the survey. It is your responsibility. So make sure you utilize this opportunity to speak to me and get the breakthrough and the clarity that you actually want so that you can take your business to the next level this year. All right. I look forward to talking to you, to getting to know you, and to helping you get the results that you actually want for your business. I'll talk to you soon, and thanks so much.